I see Hillsdale Hospital's contributions to the community as being so huge. I mean, I have a coin in my pocket. It's a silver dollar, and it represents. It's rare. You don't see a lot of these. And Hillsdale Hospital is like this silver dollar. It's rare, but boy, it has value. And having a community hospital in this rural setting is a blessing, not only for me and my family, but the community as a whole.
I know firsthand how important it is to have something close, available to you. It's a big impact on the community when a provider pulls out. In surrounding counties, they're going through it right now with hospitals that have been bought out and maybe don't have the same level of care that they had.
To have such an advanced medical hub, a center in our small local community, where not only are they very qualified physicians who are seeing you, but also ones that you know and interact with in the local community.
The hospital has partnered with us for productions for years, not only as a sponsor, but often as a resource when we're looking for, we've done a couple shows recently about mental health, and they've provided resources for us. And that's a great partnership. I also think they know that a healthy community means things like the arts. And I think that's what we're most proud of with our collaboration, is that they understand a healthy community needs things like theater and art and music.
So the hospital has been an economic driver to the community. It's a large employer. It brings a lot of resources and economic drive to the community. It's also been very generous to the community. It donates to many causes. It supports many events.
For the senior center, it's really great to work in tandem with the hospital. We do non-emergency medical transfers. We also do partnerships with Lunch and Learns, which we have one scheduled next week on the 27th regarding wound care.
The Great Start Collaborative's work focuses a lot on prenatal health and the health of babies after they're born. And so our partnership with them has been essential. We've watched communities around the state lose their birthing hospitals, and it's heartbreaking. So we're thrilled that we still have that available to us here in Hillsdale County.
So every time we have a fundraiser, we invite the hospital to be one of our sponsors, and every single time you've said yes, so we appreciate that. And we also drop off our sleep sacks right here in the birthing center. And so we're able to have a little relationship there in order to make sure safe sleep is in our community.
The hospital and the bank has worked together in numerous events locally for our communities to enjoy. One example is the Great American Rodeo that was just taking place a few weeks ago for the celebration of the 250th. So we both collaborated together in that.
There are students here that aspire to be doctors, nurses, and go into healthcare. The hospital provides opportunities for them to work alongside professionals so that they can be the next generation, because we want to keep this going. And so it's a partnership that'll last.
I say the Hillsdale Hospital has impacted our community by being involved in many different avenues within the community, not just with individuals who may be ill, but people outside of that realm, other people in the community, other events in the community.
If Hillsdale Hospital didn't exist here in our community, economic growth would definitely be impacted. The college would be impacted. Businesses that want to come to Hillsdale would be very shy about doing that. It's a long drive to the next hospital.
And even here, when we've had accidents or things happen, we had an actor get hurt recently, and they were able to get care within about 15 minutes because we got them there and they were ready, and and they were seen right away. So that wouldn't have happened if we would have had to figure out where to go and what to do. And so, yeah, I think we're very, very lucky.
Especially when you have a child, it's one of the things that you feel is very necessary. You never know what could happen, so having emergency care unit is so important in our community.
If the hospital wasn't here, this community would not be in a good position at all. It's the only hospital in the county, and it services so many people, does so many good things. For my family, even. My son broke his collarbone, and it was nice just to be able to go to our local community hospital.
But I think too about how many people the hospital employs, how many of those people live in the community, go to the businesses in the local community, just how important the hospital is to our little local economy, that if we didn't have that, Hillsdale would just be a very different place. I mean, it wouldn't be Hillsdale anymore.